Hi friends, welcome to CDCS videos. This is part 3 of the video. What we are covering is, we are not covering any specific portion. We are covering some basics which we always learn and move ahead, but we don't understand. Like in part 1 and 2 I have explained BL and charter party. What are those parties, what are their functions, with simple example of travel agents. So similarly over here. Now question is, BL is negotiable document, we have heard. Non-negotiable CA bill is not negotiable. Airway bill, truck receipt, railway receipt not negotiable. Okay, it's given in the UCP articles. Your seniors have told you, but have you ever imagined why? Why BL is negotiable? Why airway bill is not negotiable? See here, the basic logic is, imagine I have to send goods from India to USA. Okay, how will I send it? Here, if you look at the sea route, it will travel from year to year full. How many days does it require? Roughly it requires 30 to 35 days on an average. Imagine you are a businessman in India and there's a businessman in USA. You have sent some goods to him and it will require 35 days to reach him. Okay. Now for any businessman, whenever he buys, what happens? What does he require? First is goods and second is documents. Now the days difference for goods and documents. Now for goods it will be 30 days through sea, right? So he'll get the goods after 30 days. But what about the documents? Will the documents go by ship? No, they'll go by air, courier. In how many hours or days will he receive these documents? Roughly the travel time between US and India for planes is 17 to 20 hours. Okay, means documents would reach this buyer within max to max 2 days and goods will reach him after 30-35 days. So what will he do with the documents? Does this buyer means what? He is not a consumer of those goods. He'll sell it to someone else. So what will he do with these documents? He'll sell these documents to someone else so that take the goods, when the goods arrive from on the port, you go and take it. That's why BL is negotiable, because documents reach fast and goods reach later. Now let's consider the question of airway bill or truck receipt or railway receipt or NNSB also. This truck and all these businesses are not done for between India and USA. They are done for shortest distances. So what will happen? By the time, example, let's take airway bill. Suppose this airway can happen between India and USA also. So you are sending some goods through air and documents through air, but both will reach at the same time. So why should this guy sell the documents to and tell the other guy to take the delivery? Because both have reached them. So that's why the goods won't take longer time than the documents. Similarly for truck, both will reach at the same time. Railways same time. Why NNSB? What is NNSB? Understand? NNSB means non-negotiable seaway bill. Sea means these are the seas which are nearby and these are the oceans. So these oceans, the traveling between the oceans and the continents, it takes longer time. Sea means, suppose in India it goes from Maharashtra to somewhere else, from Mumbai to Chennai. How much time will it require? It won't require more days. Roughly 1-2 days is enough. Or for that matter between USA, various parts of the USA, it won't require that much time. That's why approximately goods and documents will reach the buyer at the same time, even in both NNSB also. What about charter party? Charter party is negotiable but subject to certain conditions. Now what are the conditions? The agreement between the charterer and the owner is not known to the final consumer. So if there's some problem arises between the owner and the charterer, then the owner can take the whole ship to his dock rather than going into the distant place. That's why only in that case there's a problem. Otherwise it's similar to that of the BL. There's a UCP clause that the bank will not examine the charter party contracts even if they are required to be presented. Means we don't know the agreement between the owner and the charterer and we are not concerned with it. So only in that case there is a problem for negotiability. Otherwise it's similar to that of the BL. So that was a video to explain you the basics. Okay. What's important is, we do our jobs, we build our careers, but we don't understand the basics. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, etc. on your mobile. Follow us on Facebook, WhatsApp on the number